Hello guys and welcome to another video. This time on the bench we have a multifunctional motorcycle audio visual system. It was sent to me by ZHNN and if you want to order this device, be sure to use the discount code DCT10, and in the box you will get the display itself, which is waterproof IPX67. It has two microSD card slots, one on the left and one on the right. On the left we also have the mic, and the display comes with three different cables. One is for powering up the device and the other two are for the front and rear cameras that are recording full HD all the time if your motorcycle or ATV in our case is turned on. So we have two cameras, one for the front, which has a shorter cable, the other one in the back with the longer cable. Both have dual-sided tape and the cables are sealed very nicely. Also we have some screws and a tiny imbus screwdriver for better fixing the cameras. Besides that, we get a nice bracket system, which makes it very easy to install the display in any position you want, an instructions manual, and of course the powering cable that goes to the 12 volt socket on your motorcycle, bike or ATV. Last, we have a 64 gigs micro SD card, very useful because the front and rear cameras will record everything on that card. Now let's go over to the installation process, which is very simple. So the installation process is very simple. All you have to do is connect the power line to the 12 volt socket on your motorcycle, ATV, cross or any other bike. Be sure to properly insulate all the wires so you don't have any problems in time. Next, we installed the display. This bracket is very nice because it allows you to have any orientation you want. One important step is to properly make the wire management so the wires won't move when you steer the quad. The next step is to connect rear camera or the front camera. Doesn't matter which one you connect first. Keep in mind that these cameras are made for motorcycles, and depending on your model, it might not be enough cable for you to take it from the back all the way to the front and connect it with the display. In our case, the cable was just enough, so rear camera's installation went okay. The front camera's installation is very simple. If you want to have better results with the dual-sided tape, you should warm it up before sticking it to the motorcycle. Then you can power up the display. As I said, it is a 5-inch display, very bright. First time you have to enter the password. In our case was 4 zeros. You can change it in the settings menu. Then you have to connect your smartphone. First we connected an iPhone, so it's very simple. You just have to pair it up in the Bluetooth section. After that, the CarPlay works very nice. So this is how the CarPlay looks like on this device. It's very responsive, works very nice, is very quick. We really like the fact that it's working very fast, and of course the brightness is another strong point for this device. Another great feature is the DVR function, and we have the front and the rear camera that both are recording on the microSD card. All the recordings are saved in two separate folders, and you can pair up this device with a Bluetooth speaker, and this way you will have music on your bike or on your Bluetooth headphones. The cameras can quickly snap a photo, and from the menu of the DVR we can switch from the front to the back. And if we have a micro SD card with some media on it, the system will automatically see it and it will play all the files on that SD card. Of course, if you have a Bluetooth speaker connected to the display. So that's it for today, guys. This is the device I wanted to show you. We have tested it. Unfortunately, it only recorded 720p in our tests. It works very nice. It's very useful. You have Google Maps, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Waze, every app available in the CarPlay and the Android Auto ecosystem. So if you want to buy this device, be sure to use the link in the video description or the discount code DCT10, and for more info you can write me in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and until next time, drive safe. Bye bye.